Hello my loves, welcome back. Today's video is just going to be me playing in makeup once again using very cheap drugstore and beauty supply products. I hope you enjoy. I hope life has been going great for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. For those that are new here, my name is Shana and welcome to my channel Nefer Persona, where I do an abundance of beauty, lifestyle, DIY, primarily makeup and hair right now. My first love is makeup, so I'm trying to introduce that more on my channel like I did in the beginning. So I hope you enjoyed this video I put together. It was just something quick and easy. So if you want to see more content like this on my channel, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and just stay tuned. I'm going to play some lovely music for you and I hope you enjoy, and I will list the products as I go and I'll also have them in the description box. All right, this is going to pretty much sum it up. Thank you for hanging in there with me. For those that are still here, sorry if you hear buzzards or beetles or whatever those bugs like to come out at night buzzing, but it is kind of late while I'm doing this voiceover. But this nail polish, guys, if you haven't tried this, please give it a try. It is very comparable to gel nails. You do not need a UV light or anything to get it popping. As you see, I did use 3 coats to get this particular look on this one, but this completes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, once again, hit the subscribe button and come on back for more, because you know I will have something goody for you guys. I have a lot of content planned for the fall, which is one of my favorite times of the year. Stay safe again, and hey, I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace out.